Life will bring storms, challenges, and moments that test your strength. But those difficult seasons are not meant to break you. They are meant to build you. Every obstacle you face is an opportunity to grow stronger, wiser, and more resilient. Don't focus on the size of the storm. Focus on the strength you're developing as you move through it. Keep taking one step forward, even when the path is unclear, because progress is still progress. Remember, the storm you're facing today is preparing you for the victory you'll celebrate tomorrow. Stand tall, stay faithful, and never give up. Because the greatest stories are written by those who refused to quit when life got hard. The storm may shake you, but it cannot stop you. Keep moving forward, because your breakthrough is waiting on the other side of the rain.